Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to set only me featured photos in Facebook. So let's get started. Launch Facebook, go to your profile and scroll down. As you can see, I have two featured photos. Alright, if we tap on any of photo, you can see three little dots and here edit featured collection. Collection, it's name of my featured post. As you can see, featured is set to public. Alright, you can't change it, you can't select it to only me. This means only public featured photos can be all time. So first way what we can do to set only me featured photos on Facebook, you just open any of your featured photos and just delete featured and proceed and confirm it. So you just delete it. And second way, you can lock your profile. This means only your friends can see featured photos. So if you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. From now any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS device are the same. Then go to settings and privacy, proceed to settings, scroll down a little bit and you will see audience and visibility menu, select profile locking and then just lock your profile. Do these steps one by one. As you can see here says only friends will see your photos, posts and stories on your profile. This means nobody another on Facebook can see your featured photos. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.